Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to get more likes on your Instagram post. Let's start. At first you have to open your Instagram app. After opening your Instagram app, tap on the plus icon. Here you guys can choose the photos or videos that you want to upload. For example, I'm gonna post this one and then tap next. After this you guys can edit your post. Now tap on next. To get more likes on your Instagram post, don't add too much captions here because people are not interested at reading the long caption. Just add a short caption here and then tap on OK. Now let's share it. To get more likes, you have to keep in mind what post you are sharing. You have to keep in mind that the people who are following you, if they are interested at your post or not. By doing that, you guys can get more likes. For this, you have to go at your profile and then tap on the followers, and in here you guys can see the people that are following you, and after then tap on their profile. By scrolling the profile of your follower, you guys can get an idea like what they are interested at, so you can post the content that your followers want. In that way you guys can get a lot of likes. There is another way to get more likes on your Instagram post. Just tap on the post and then tap on the share icon. Now you guys can send this post to your other friends on your Instagram account, just like this. Tap on the accounts and then send it to them. To get more engagement, you can also share the post to your other social media account. Tap on here and then you guys can share this post on WhatsApp, and also you guys can share this on Facebook. For example, I'm gonna share it on my Facebook account. Now it will simply take you to your Facebook account, and then you guys can share it by tapping on the next. So this is how you guys can get more likes on your Instagram post. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day through videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.